I bought this last night when I went to Walmart. They had these for 50 cents and they're regularly $2.50. And it's a muffin type or cake type in a cup. You put it in the microwave. And it looks like this. They had them in all different flavors. And there's 4 little baggies. Or not really little, but they look like this. There's 4. I opened one up to try it right now. And this is what it came out to. It looks fluffy and everything. And I was going to take a bite. Looks fluffy. And it tastes really good. But I just wanted to come on here and show it. But yeah, it's real fluffy, soft. Tastes very good. It says it's better if you eat it warm, and I believe it. But there you go. Not sponsored. And it's from Duncan Hines. I bought it at Walmart with my own money. And it's 4 individual pouches. And the directions are easy. You just put a couple of tablespoons of water. See, it says right there, mug, cake mix pouch, 3 tablespoons of water. It tells you to leave it in for a minute and 10 seconds. And if you've got different microwaves, it tells you 2 different settings. The 700 and 900 watts. And it's high in calories. But, I mean, tastes good. And then it's got like 2 little tips right here. If you don't want to add water, you can add 5 tablespoons of heavy cream, or you can add your strawberries down there before baking. So, I just wanted to share that with y'all. Thanks for watching. Bye.